And now, your first alert weather.
Yes, of course, it is fire season, and we are getting some of the smoke and haze bringing us just a bit of that hazy look to the Snake River Plain and the valleys of eastern Idaho here, as there are fires burning off to the west and the winds out of the west pushing that smoke in our direction. And you can see some of that haze here at the TETONIA webcam as we look back towards the Tetons from the Idaho side. And yeah, things are not as crisp as we'd like to see it on a nice sunny day. In Idaho Falls and REXBURG and Rigby right now, we have temperatures into the mid-80s. This is a live look at the REXBURG sky cam, and those winds at the REXBURG airport out of the southwest at 22 miles an hour. Over to Pocatello, live look at the Farm Bureau sky cam, just a bit warmer with highs into the upper 80s and those winds out of the west at 21 miles an hour. Now over to the big picture, we have this front that's coming across central Idaho and Montana, and that's what's driving in the winds here for tonight. We will still have some breezy conditions with us here for Friday. However, the winds aren't looking to be as severe as what we're getting outside right now, and the winds are expected to relax further into Saturday. In fact, let's go right over to the wind map. I want to show you about 9 o'clock tonight. Still pretty gusty out there, especially into the mountains and communities of western Wyoming and far eastern Idaho, and also central Idaho will have some gusty conditions as we get closer to sunset. Overnight through tomorrow morning, the winds are expected to lighten up at least before sunrise. Once the sun picks up, we'll see breezy conditions, and the winds tomorrow on average about 10 to 20. So still windy, just not as windy. And here's that smoke and fire map I want to show you. Fires burning in northern California, and the plume of smoke is getting sent right over southern Idaho and then further north into Montana and portions of western Wyoming. And this is still going to be with us tomorrow with that slightly diminished air quality. But it's going to be sunny and warm outside. The UV index is high. That means unprotected skin can burn about 15 minutes or less. It's going to be bright and sunny again for this weekend. High pressure building in across the west. The ridge of high pressure bringing in the heat, and we expect to see highs by Sunday and Monday approaching 100 degrees. As we go over to Vipercast, looking pretty dry out there here for the next couple of days. There are a few hints of thunderstorms getting into western and central Idaho on Sunday, but not for the rest of us. It's still going to be pretty dry outside. Yellowstone, you'll be into the upper 60s tomorrow for Friday for highs, into the mid 70s on Saturday. For the rest of us, we have highs around 89 for McCammon, highs at 84 for Lava Hot Springs, with highs in the upper 70s for Afton. 77 in Jackson tomorrow with 80 for Driggs, 83 in Rexburg. St. Anthony and Ashton will be in the low to mid 80s tomorrow, with highs in central Idaho into the upper 80s in Chouse, mid 80s in Salmon, and Idaho Falls tomorrow high of 85 with 89 in Pocatello. Temperatures about the same today and tomorrow, so not much of a change there, but the heat again starting to really get in here for the weekend and beyond as we warm up for Sunday and Monday. Highs into the upper 80s on Saturday, mid 90s on Sunday and Monday, with mainly sunny conditions and some thunderstorms dotting the region throughout next week. At this point, beginning on Tuesday through Friday, we're just calling for a few isolated thunderstorms. No major storm chances, though, in the forecast. As we head to Pocatello, 92 for the high on Saturday, 97 on Sunday, and we should hit 100 degrees for Monday afternoon, with partly sunny skies for much of next week and a few thunderstorms. As we take a look at Blackfoot, hitting a high of 90 for Saturday, 95 on Sunday, and 97 on Monday. Hot and sunny conditions to get next week started, with highs staying well into those mid-90s for a good chunk of next week. Rexburg, a high of 87 for Saturday, 92 on Sunday, mid-90s in there for Monday. Partly sunny conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Salmon, a high of 90 for Saturday, 94 on Sunday. Again, central Idaho and western Idaho has a decent shot of seeing thunderstorms on Sunday, but not really for the rest of us. More scattered thunderstorms in there for next week, beginning Tuesday. Jackson, the weekend, gorgeous, 82 and 86 for Saturday and Sunday, but it's also getting pretty warm there for Jackson and Island Park as we head through the entire weekend stretch, and the warm weather continues through next week.
Okay,
Warms
that's what
up.
it should be, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Consumer news now. The S&P 500 closed lower today after flirting with its record high from February as traders digested better than expected unemployment data and still